Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. So let's get started then. So if you want to hide your TikTok account from your contacts, then what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok application. After opening up your TikTok application, now just tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right, then tap on the three bar icon, which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on privacy. After tapping on privacy, now you'll find this following option: suggest your account to others. So just tap on it and then make sure you turn off every single option. And by turning the following options off, your account will not be suggested to anyone. So you can also just come back and then tap on this option which is send content and Facebook friends, and then turn off these options too. And after doing that, what will happen is the friends from your Facebook or from your contact will not be suggested. So just make sure to turn these following options off. And after turning off those following options, you will hide your TikTok account from your contacts. So that's it guys, this is how to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.